Ironclad's repository allows users to search through structured and unstructured data with the power of legal search platforms like LexisNexis or Westlaw. Let's start with searching through AI tag clauses to illustrate a concept search. First, we will highlight how AI-powered clauses work. When a contract is uploaded through Smart Import or runs through a workflow, Ironclad's AI recognizes and tags the document with 175 out-of-the-box and custom clauses. Both the out-of-the-box and custom clause AI algorithms can be trained by data to recognize bespoke and industry-specific verbiage. For example, we have trained a custom clause called penalties to look for similar concepts such as remedial measures, non-compliance measures, and redress, even if the word penalties is never mentioned in the document. Detection settings make it possible to cast a wider net for clauses that are somewhat or highly similar to this one, or look for exact matches. Now back in the repository, we will search for all contracts containing that penalties clause match by using a filter. There are 3 matches and we can preview the penalty clause language in a column. Any contract metadata can be used to search and filter through contracts. To find expiring order forms, for example, we can narrow down our search to order forms only by using record type, and add another filter based on contract expiration dates that are 90 days into the future. Now we have our list of expiring order forms. In addition to filters, Ironclad supports advanced free text search capabilities to simultaneously traverse document text, record names, and metadata using approximate string matching or fuzzy search. For example, a simple search of corporation yields record names, counterparty names, and text snippets with corporate and corporation. These text-based search capabilities are most powerful when combined with commands and connectors. Using these advanced commands, Ironclad supports Boolean search, proximity search, and exact match in multiple combinations to help you find the data you are looking for. Let's say that you or your vendor had a merger event that requires a change of control notice within a specific period of time. We can easily limit contracts in the search to vendor agreements and do a free text search for change of control where a written notice falls within 25 words. Once you've found the contract you want via search, you can also run a free text search within the document or click any AI tag clause to quickly jump to that section.